Ever wondered how to use Scrivener for generating long academic documents? Well, you're about to unravel the magic of this robust writing tool. First things first, ensure you have Scrivener installed on your device. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Now initiate your academic journey by creating a new project. Launch Scrivener, click on New Project, and select a template. If you're feeling adventurous, you might choose Blank for a custom project. The next step is to structure your document. The binder, located on the left side of the Scrivener window, is your ally in this endeavor. Create folders and subfolders to outline your document's framework, such as chapters, sections, and subsections. Once your structure is in place, it's time to fill it with content. Select a folder or document in the binder and use the editor to input your text. Scrivener also allows you to import existing text documents. Long documents can be daunting, but Scrivener has a solution. Split your document into manageable chunks by placing the cursor where you want to split and selecting Documents and GT Split. And if you want to bring different parts together, select the documents and use the Documents and GT Merge option. To keep track of your work, assign labels and statuses to your documents. Simply right-click a document in the binder and choose Label or Status. Research is a cornerstone of academic writing, and Scrivener caters to this with the Research folder. For citation and bibliographic information, consider creating a References folder. Scrivener also hosts a myriad of writing and editing tools. The Corkboard and Outliner view can aid in planning, while the Inspector is handy for document notes and metadata. When you're ready to present your masterpiece, go to File and GT Compile. Here you can choose the format, style, and settings for your output. Scrivener even provides templates for academic papers, theses, and other document types. Next, export your document in your preferred format or print directly from Scrivener. Always remember to save and back up your work. Scrivener's automatic backup feature is a lifesaver in preventing data loss. For a smoother writing experience, familiarize yourself with Scrivener's keyboard shortcuts. They can streamline your writing and editing processes. Lastly, don't forget to explore Scrivener's advanced features like version control, custom templates, and word count goals. That's a quick rundown on using Scrivener for academic writing. It's a versatile tool, and the more you delve into its features, the better you'll become at harnessing its potential. Happy writing!